to another video where I am going to be making Matar Paneer, and let's see what ingredients we need to make it. Here we have tomato, onion, green peas which is called matar in Hindi, lasan that is called garlic, green chili, and jeera. I don't know what it's called in English. I'm going to tell you later. And this is paneer, which is called cottage cheese in English. And we have turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt, and jeera powder. Now guys, we have to put first a little bit onion. Guys, now we have a pan here, and we have added some oil in it, and while the oil is heating up, we will add some green chili to it, and then we're gonna add a little garlic to it, and then onion to it, a lot of onion to it. Okay, we have a lot of onion over here. And then you have to cook it until it gets soft. We don't want it getting red or brown, or there is a risk of getting this burned. So kids, you're not allowed to make this on your own. My dad is helping me out to make this. I'm not touching anything over here. And kids, you're not allowed to do that. So let's let it cook. Now guys, as you can see, everything is ready to go. So we're gonna add tomatoes to it. And guys, when you add tomato, make sure to add a little bit of salt so it cooks a little faster. Let it cook for a while. Now guys, the tomato has been soft, so we are gonna let it cool down for at least 10 minutes. So let's turn off the gas, and guys, let it cool down for at least 10 minutes, because we need to grind this later because this is gonna be our gravy for our Matar Paneer. Now guys, our mixture is ready and it is cooled down, so to cool it, and I'm gonna add a little bit water to it. And now I will ask my dad to grind this. See you on the other side of the video. Now guys, the paste of the gravy has been ready, and now we're gonna make the most important and real thing about this Matar Paneer. Now guys, we have another pan and the oil is already heating up, and I forgot to tell you one ingredient that is called gram flour. We had to add this too, but right now we have to add this cumin seed to it. And now we will add gram flour. And now red chili, all the red chili. And mix it up. And you have to mix it up till 20 seconds. Now it looks a little tasty to me already. Now guys, looks like the thing is cooked. So now we're gonna add all the paste on it, and you have to stir it to 5 or 6 minutes, and मैं ऊपर से ऐसे करूँ क्या? Now our gravy is cooking, but because of the heat, the tomato gravy is popping out, so we have to put this on top of it, and we're gonna let it cook for 4 minutes. Now guys, our gravy is cooked for 5 or 4 minutes. So now we're gonna add the green peas and all the other spices except the garam masala. We're gonna add those later on. Now guys, you have to keep on stirring it and let it cook for at least 4 or 5 minutes. So now guys, as you can see, the oil is separating from our gravy. So it's time to put the garam masala and stir it for a few seconds. Just a little bit of seconds. And then you're gonna add your paneer to it. And just let it cook for at least 5 or 6 minutes. Now we have to put a little bit of water. Now let it cook for a while. Now guys, our Matar Paneer looks ready because the oil has separated from the paneer. So let's turn off the burner, and I'll take a little bit in my bowl. So I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Now guys, looks like our paneer is ready, and I'm ready to eat before the bread gets cooked. And I'm gonna take a bite for you guys. It is good. Guys, you can eat this with Indian bread or rice. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers!